This is a brand new Performance Series color, and let me tell you how it came about. I was driving home from work about a month ago, and this M4 pulled in right in front of me on the road. It was the darkest, deepest, most sinister green I had ever seen. I had to follow him. He pulled into a gas station. I pulled in right behind him, and I was like, dude, you gotta tell me what color that car is. And he said it is BMW's Frozen Deep Green Metallic. It inspired me immediately. I called Gabe. I was like, I just saw this car. We need to make a color that looks like that. So here is our brand new Delta Force Green, inspired by BMW's Frozen Deep Green Metallic. And I am A, super freaking excited for this color, and B, quite upset it's not going on one of my personal cars. Let me show you the old stick of truth here on our Delta Force Green. It doesn't get darker, it doesn't get deeper as far as a metallic green than that. I don't even know if you'll be able to see the metallic and the green in liquid form. You may have to wait until it dries. So, let me pour this in here. This is going over an avalanche gray base, just like all of our other Performance Series colors. The coverage is going to be just about instant, effortless to spray. Shouldn't have any trouble with clouding, striping, anything like that. Gabe, thoughts on this color, anything?
I think it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, we don't have anything like this. Now we have tactical green, we have army green, but those are way down the spectrum to where this Delta Force Green is going to be. I am so pumped. Now, what's going on? The RS7, the perfect car for it. That's pretty much it. Are you ready to rock?
I'm ready.
No more talking, let's spray. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, I know a lot of videos we do on this channel are wild, crazy experiments where we never really know what to expect. But some of the colors that we have for you, like today with Delta Force Green, are just going to be simple, easy to spray, and look amazing on your car. Now, you can spray Delta Force Green right out of the gallon for a matte metallic finish. You can seal it in satin next-gen top coat like we did today on the RS7 if you want a little bit more sheen, a little bit more richness, or you can even spray a pearl over it. Now, I'm going to show you all those different variants of Delta Force Green at the end of the video. For now, let's take the car outside, and you guys know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. And of course, this is going to be a popular color, so we made it into a car kit. Link in the description box below. It'll take you straight to the Delta Force Green car kit, and it'll include everything you need to get the job done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one.